hungry little people in this world.
I have to eat the leftovers.
Such a stunning day, guys. Oh my god, I love starting my videos like this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys loved my previous challenge, which was a spicy noodle challenge, so I decided to do another one, and I'm super excited to do this one because it's a pizza challenge and I love pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? If you love pizza, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, today I'm doing the challenge with one of my cousins, and yeah, we are both super excited to do this video because we're hungry. Let's just be honest, we're hungry. So yeah, let's see who can eat the most. I'm actually really excited to see who can eat the most, although he's a guy and I'm a girl, so yeah, you guys can excuse me, okay? So yeah, if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. Outfit of the day, guys. So we ordered 2 pizzas from Pizza Inn. As you can see, so delicious. I'm super duper hungry while I feel like I'm gonna finish my pizza, honestly speaking, but it's a challenge, so let's see. You know, sometimes when you see food you feel like you can finish it, but you really can't, to be honest. So guys, we are starting. You're excited?
Yeah.
I'm super excited because we love pizza. Do we love pizza?
Yep.
Pizza is our favorite, from Pizza Inn especially. So yeah, mine is chicken peri peri and yours is barbecue steak or what?
I think.
Something like that, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let's start. I'm hungry, so yeah. So fun, you can relax.
We're both still on the first piece. The crust is so thick, yeah? Today. So fun, if you win this, I buy you 1,000 shilling credit. Sawa. I can't eat the ends, Bana. It's like bread only. How is it? Taste yours. Fun, make them laugh. Be like, okay, be like. So guys, you know, I'm gonna obviously win this.
Stop.
Just because your mouth is bigger than mine, that doesn't mean you watch over me. But else you guys would have brought small pizzas. Can I have one of yours? I gave him a bigger piece, guys. That's how you trick him. Oh my god, this is tastier.
said you can finish 2 pizzas at home. I want to see if you can finish this pizza or not. Hey man, you didn't bring for us sodas?
No.
Ayman.
Sonu, you're disqualified.
What? I'm going to eat this part.
She's disqualified. He's already won.
I'm full, guys. I can't eat more than this. Honestly speaking, I can't. I need a drink. Stop eating, because you can't win both the challenges in my life.
Suck.
Yay, I won in my own wonderland. Guys, look at the beautiful sunset. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, you guys stop shouting. Wow. So, Safwan won this challenge once again. He also won the spicy noodle challenge, as you guys had seen. And yeah, this is not cool. I need to win something. So yeah, he gets 1,000 shilling credit from me. Come give me a huggy. But if you guys don't know, Safwan is 14 years old and he is a foodie. Hi. Do you have something to tell them?
Yeah.
What?
Please unsubscribe.
Please, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. It was a super fun challenge, but the next challenge I want to do is actually going to be much more fun. So yeah, I'm super excited for that actually. So yeah, it's actually going to be like a guessing kind of challenge. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. So it's going to go up after this video. Oh yeah, just subscribe so that you can know. I'm waiting. Subscribe. Have you subscribed? Okay, done. So yeah, have you liked the video? Have you commented? Not yet? Do it. I'm waiting. What? So I have nothing else to say except I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.